Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you change your Toyota 4Runner headlights. Replacing a headlight bulb is a straightforward task that significantly improves nighttime visibility and vehicle safety. Before we begin, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket with a ratchet, a flathead screwdriver, and some protective gloves. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. To access the headlight bulb, first open your vehicle's hood. You will see a plastic radiator cover. Gently remove all the plastic push clips holding it in place. Next, locate and remove any 10mm bolts that secure the headlight assembly. Once these fasteners are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly forward, creating enough space to reach behind it. Now it is time to replace the bulb. Twist the light gray plastic dust cover about 1/4 turn counterclockwise and set it aside. Gently pull back the retaining clip on the electrical connector, then slide it off the old bulb. Rotate the old bulb 1/4 turn counterclockwise and remove it. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Oils can cause premature failure. Insert the new bulb, twist it clockwise to secure, and reconnect the electrical plug. With the new bulb in place, replace the dust cover, twisting it clockwise until it is secure. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring all mounting points align. Reinstall all the 10mm bolts and plastic clips you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm they are working correctly. If needed, adjust the beam alignment for optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.